What's going on, guys? Jordan here from Billy's Tavern Homebrew, and today we are going to be reviewing the BenchMK Can Seamer from Oktober Designs. I did run a lot of cans through this bad boy before I made this video. I really wanted to get the most out of it. I didn't want to use it for one batch and then kind of give you my thoughts. So I think I ran about three batches. I did my porter, I did my German Pilsner, and I did my double IPA. I will say, if you have the extra money, I would get the SL1 just because I love the ease of flipping the switch and just seaming a can. If you strapped for cash, or you want to make the jump to canning but you don't want to go all the way and spend the price tag of an SL1, then I definitely recommend the BenchMK. Like, I can't go wrong with it. It is nice that it comes with the door, and again, powered by a drill, so you don't have to worry about a plug. You can just set up wherever you need. But again, if you have the cash, I would go with the SL1. It is a beast. I love it. But otherwise, this is a great piece. So let's get right into the specs.
All right, so straight out of the box, it was super easy to assemble. Some specifications for it. So it is designed to seam aluminum can beverages. It comes with a 1-year parts warranty. The standard 16-ounce and 12-ounce cans with the B64 and 202 ends. It does have the same optional lower adapters and upper chucks for the Model 7B seamers, excluding the 200 end tooling. It does weigh 14 pounds, so like I said, it is very compact, small, light, and the dimensions for it are 8 3/4 inch wide with 10.5 inch deep, and then it stands at about 16.5 inches tall. And it is CCE certified, patent pending, and it comes in any color you want as long as that color is black. I did not have any problem setting up the seamer, getting it rolling, getting it going. I will say, make sure if you're going to be seaming a big batch to have that extra battery on hand for the drill. And also please note that a drill is not included when you buy the BenchMK, and it does require a handheld power drill with a minimum of 3/8 inch chuck to operate. And a word of advice, don't attach the drill all the way to the base of the seamer. Don't put that chuck all the way down in there to grab it, because it will start kind of rubbing against the top of the seamer, kind of around where it connects. And I do notice, in comparison to the SL1 and the MK, is that if you're applying too much pressure, I did notice with the BenchMK that it starts grinding around the edges of that top can lid. So be careful with that. Be mindful with that. Try not to push too much power into it. I did have to you got to be a little gentle with it, little gentle. It's but other than that, that is really my only complaint about the that BenchMK Can Seamer, was the top part kind of rubbing if you put the drill down on the chuck too far. And then it can grind. So if make sure it's on a non-stick, non-slip surface, because I notice that when I go to push it, sometimes if it doesn't have a nice grip hold, it'll kind of slide or move. So I did try originally with a towel underneath it. That didn't work well because it was kind of sliding all over the place. So I have to use just non-slick area, and then it'll kind of really help. Other than that, I don't really have any complaints in regards to my BenchMK. I do like it. I like the compactness, or the small compact that it offers. It is a solid can seamer to use if you are wanting to start canning your beer, or you're looking to the market to get a new can seamer. I definitely recommend it for the price. You can't beat it. It's assembled in America, so that's another great thing, and it is just a nice piece of equipment. So I definitely recommend checking it out. Sometimes, just for the simplicity of canning my beer on the go and just being really quick, if I just want to can a couple beers here and there, I don't want to can a whole bunch, the BenchMK is great for that. I don't feel like I'm putting in all this work to clean. The cleaning of the BenchMK is really simple. It's really, really quick. If you're on the fence about canning, I definitely recommend it. It elevates the game. I recommend it if you can. Check out the link below. You can use my code to get a percentage off your SL1 or BenchMK, as well as 16 and 12 ounce cans. The code does change monthly, but feel free to hit me up on Instagram That's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you have a Can Seamer, let me know what you think about the Can Seamer. If you have an SL1 or BenchMK, or if you even have one of them cooler models, them like Model Bs and Model 7s, those things are beasts. So let me know what you think. Thanks so much, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.